Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah ta'ala, today we will analyze the 17th ayah of Surah Mulk. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Now this ayah begins with the word amintum. Now look at it carefully. It's almost the same like the previous ayah. What was there in the previous ayah? It was amintum. Here it is amintum. Till here it's the same. Okay, so almost the same thing, inshallah ta'ala. So whatever you did for the last ayah, you have to do the same thing. What will you do? Here you will have to do ikhfa, that means hide your noon. Here you will have to do idgham, okay, idgham mithlan saghin. So here hide your noon and then stretch the gunna. Here also you will have to stretch the gunna, inshallah ta'ala. Okay, and then here you have to do ikhfa, hide your noon, go close to the makhraj of fa. And then this part, join your fa with the sin. Your sin should be sharp with the whistling sound. And then your meme here should be given 4 or 5 counts, inshallah. And then your hamza should be given 1 count. Okay, inshallah. So take care of each and everything, inshallah. Now moving on to this part here. Now here, between these two words is the rule, which is idgham. Okay, so what will you do? You will merge the noon into the ya. So this is idgham. Like naqis bi gunna. That means this is incomplete idgham with a gunna. Okay, so your noon will merge into the ya, but the merging is incomplete, so that's why you hear the gunna here and also the sound of the letter ya. So how will you read? Sila. Okay, and then your ra over here should be heavy and give it moderate time. Sin should be given 1 count and it should be light. Your lam should be given 1 count too, because it is with fatha. Now here this word alaykum, your ain should be 1 count from its makhraj, that is the middle part of the throat. Your lam over here is with the lean, ya leeniya. So the sound of your lean over here should be lay, not lay. Okay, alaykum. Okay, join your kaf with the meme and run your meme for the moderate time. Now this word hasiba, ha should be given 2 counts, and the makhraj of ha is like the middle part of the throat, so hit that part. Your ha should be sharp and should be given 2 counts because it is with alif mad. Your sad should be heavy and it should be given just 1 count, hasi, and the ba here should be given 2 counts. And moving on to this one, فَسَتَعْلَمُونَ. Your fa is given 1 count, sin is given 1 count. The ta joins with the ain and run your ain for moderate time. Your lam is given 1 count because it is with the fatha. Meme here is given 2 counts because it is with waw maddiya. The noon is given 1 count. All the letters over here are light. So take care of it, inshallah. Now, coming to this one, كيف نذير. Now this one, the kaf joins with the ya. This is ya leaning ya, so take care of it. It should be كيف, not كيف. كيف نذير. Noon is given 1 count. Zal should be from its makhraj, which is the tip of the tongue touching the edges of the front teeth. And your ra at the end should be light. So practice well with the Shaykh, inshallah ta'ala. جزاكم الله خير والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.